Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to verify Google AdSense account without PIN. So let's get into it. First of all, sign in to your AdSense account. Click on the three menu dots and click Help. Scroll down and click on PIN Troubleshooter. Answer the questions on your screen by checking the appropriate box. After the above, a message will appear. Click on Contact Us. Then enter the required information in the form provided. Enter your name, contact email address, and AdSense publisher ID. Upload a valid identity card. The supported form of identification includes an international passport, driver's license, national identity card, or bank statement. Then click on Submit. Google will usually complete the AdSense payment address verification within 24 to 48 hours, after which they will send you a verification email. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.